Well, hello, and welcome back to Alex's wardrobe. Thank you so much for coming in today. I am going to be doing a really simple styling for you. Very quick, very easy. So, got my boots on, got my jeans shorts on. These have got a really cute little sort of frilled hem to them. And all we're doing today is just taking a look at white linen shirts over the age of 40. So, well, this one's cotton actually. This is cotton and this is linen. So we're going to do a little comparison. I have tucked this one in, but you could pull it out, and I'll show you that in the styling in a moment. And this little beauty I picked up really recently at Choice. Let me bring that in for you. Look at that price. £8.75 at Choice for a beautiful cotton embroidery on glaze. A little is there actually, it's well, a little, it's more of a self pattern going on in there. But I'm going to do a very quick style up on both of these for you, and let me know, can we wear linen? Can we look chic at this age? Let's see. So what do you think? This top is really pretty, and for the price, I think it's actually amazing. So, a couple of white tops, just keeping that boho look, really straightforward and very simple. White, natural cut fabrics, linen, cotton, something like that. Fabulous earrings, I talk about it all the time. And of course, boots if you like. But you know what? If you didn't want to do boots, you could always do a cute pair of platform shoes if that's a little bit more comfortable. Thanks for coming in today, and it was really lovely to have you back on my boho chic channel, Western style. So pop down in the comments if you had a favourite top. Make sure if you've got a white top that's floating around in your wardrobe just not being worn, come on ladies, get it out. I'll also be doing a lovely one on white tops and jeans as well. So let's take a look at it. Thanks for coming in today, guys. Happy listening, and I shall see you very soon.